Morning YouTube, Sully, Small Water Fishing and Survival. Back today with another video. We're at the John boat. Done some work to it. So we got some updates. One big update. We got a trailer. Now it needs some work, just like the boat. Let's do that. Alright, so I'm just gonna uncover part of the boat real quick. Now it's just, I had that A-frame sitting on the top of it, but the wind kept knocking it over because coming from that way, the wind pushes a lot. Okay, so I gotta do a new light harness on it, but it's been all painted by the guy I bought it from. I paid $200 for this, so all in all, what I've gotten into this boat build so far is about, with the trailer and all the stuff I've bought to do the work on the trailer, about $300. So we're still $700 to go for my budget of $1,000, and all we really have left to do is paint, carpet, and a sheet of plywood, maybe two, because I'm thinking of putting a sheet of plywood on here, because underneath here you can't really see it. There's a center beam with a wheel that'll work great for that 20-foot monster over there. So in the canoe I put some paint stripper, and as you can see, it's actually doing a fairly good job getting rid of the paint. I've sanded this seat down, and here's paint stripper all in there. I'm using Citra paint, Citra strip, actually, sorry, not Citra paint, Citra strip. I'll show you. It's in my shed. That is a mess right now. If you don't believe me, it's a mess. I bought, Citra strip, stripping gel. This is like $20. And then I bought, for the bigger holes, a steel stick. And then silicone wasn't sticking to it, so I bought a tube of flex paste and another package of JB Weld. And then I got a crimped wire brush 3-inch, and then I got like the twisted stainless steel version. Sorry about the camera angles. I got that one, and that's on the heart drill I've been using. So sorry about the camera angles and the camera shaking. I'm not using a tripod. It's like 7:15 in the morning. But yeah, so one big purchase down, trailer. It needs a little bit of work, not a lot. New lighting system on it. I'm thinking, because I don't really need it, is get rid of this piece, because I got the trailer, the boat sits on this perfect. I got all this space up here to the winch to here. That's going to be to take up the slack for that canoe. Let me cover this back up just in case it rains. But so trailer purchase done. Now next big purchase, motor. So all we got left really is 2 sheets of plywood, a motor, paint, and register the boat and the trailer. So that's really it. So thank you guys. I would work on it today, but I have to get my little one on the bus and then I got to go to bed because I worked all night last night. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the John boat. So thank you for the subscribers. Please like, subscribe, leave comments here or on my Facebook. It's DIY Finger Lake Survival on Facebook, Instagram, and pretty sure the links are down below in my channel page somewhere. I'm still learning this YouTube stuff, but thank you, and enjoy the video.